This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Camaro, designed to turn heads. It has a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a limited slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, big 20-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a rear folding seat, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and this vehicle has fewer than 9,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Jessup Auto Plaza is located at 68111 East Palm Canyon Drive in Cathedral City. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.